Welcome to the posing guide. This is Transition to the Side, Part B. Lift your baby slightly from their chest, turn their elbow out to the side, which will bring the back of their hand alongside their head, similar to a salute. The other hand you're going to place under the baby's cheek, and if that hand is in a fist, just put your finger in the middle of that fist and encourage those fingers out. Once they're out, place it back under their cheek just by lifting the head slightly, and the head will help to keep those fingers in place. You're going to lift the bottom a little bit just to give some room to bring the knee underneath the baby up a little bit, and the leg on the leg that's on the side that you're photographing, you're just going to bring the knee up and the foot up into a comfortable C-shaped position. So now you can see both feet. Check that there are no restrictions to circulation and that your baby is in as comfortable position as possible. If your baby is grunting or making any noises, I would suggest lifting them and allowing those legs to come back out again. They might have a bit of a sore tummy. You never know. So it's always nice to be on the safe side and just make sure that you listen for those cues. To get a slightly curlier and curved position, you can just bring the bottom up a little bit more so that the knee is touching the elbow of your baby, and then that will just get that really, really curled up look. And once you're happy, I would recommend photographing your little one directly in front and even just slightly on an angle.